how to change Yahoo to Google Chrome. So if you want to change your Yahoo to Google Chrome, then first you just need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. So I'll be here with my browser, Chrome browser. Once you open up your browser, you need to go for the upper right, which has that three dots icon, go for settings. Under settings here, you will have an option of search engine. Go for search engine and go for the second option, which is manage search engines and site search. Once you tap on it, here you will have all of these options, right? So you need to simply go for the search engine. And here, if you have your Yahoo, Google, Microsoft Bing, anything, you will have all of these search engines, right? So if you want to change your Yahoo, then choose Yahoo. Once you've chosen, you need to go for the right side, which has that three dots, and then go for make default and make it a default. Once you make it default, then that's it. You have changed your Yahoo to your Google Chrome. So you just need to simply select any search engine that you would like to make as a default, and you can simply go for the right side and then make it as a default. So that's it. For now, I have Google as my default. So if you want to make Yahoo, then simply go for the three dots, click on make default, and your problem will be fixed. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.